If you have some wooden Venetian blinds in your kitchen, the chances are they're going to get dirty pretty quickly, especially if they're close to the cooker. The proximity of the blinds to the cooker means that the fumes and vapours coming from your cooking can build up on the blind slats in a relatively short amount of time. Regular cleaning is required, and normally a wipe down with a damp cloth does the trick. But let's face it, we're all guilty of leaving some things on the long finger, and if you do that, the grease build-up on the blinds can become stuck down, making it quite difficult to shift. And unfortunately, that's what I did. The build-up of heavy amounts of dirt and grease on blinds means that a deep clean is required, often using some warm water and detergent, and the process would take a long time. I then had an idea whilst I was repainting my internal doors a few months ago, which I thought I would try on the blinds. Before painting the doors, I normally like to clean them down first with this liquid, which is methylated spirits. I thought that I'd try using methylated spirits on the hardened grease on my blinds, and to my surprise it worked really well. The methylated spirits was really good at cutting through the grease, and I was able to clean the blinds in a fraction of the time it would normally take me using detergent and water. I'm not saying that you should use methylated spirits to give your blinds a deep clean, but I'm just saying that it's something that worked for me. I've no doubt that someone will comment why this is such a dumb idea, but after a few months there's no sign of damage to the paint on my blinds. I don't have any footage of how dirty my blinds were before I cleaned them, and frankly I'd be ashamed to show you. But hopefully you'll agree with me in these after shots that the deep clean came out really well.